Hi, today I would like to show you how to become a general transcriptionist to make $100 online fast. So this video is going to be awesome because it's all about transcriptionist. But wait, if you're thinking like that, transcription is a very hard task, you need skills, but just stay with my video. I'm going to show you 6 websites to go for the transcription jobs as well, but I know that requires English skills and many more grammatical skills, punctuation skills, all those things you not need to learn. But let me show you, just stay till the end of this video. I'm going to show you how easy you can just get skillful. I'm going to show you the sites that you can use to learn more about transcribing and increase your skills, and you can get hired in no times. But wait till the end of this video. I'm going to show you the website. So without wasting any more time, I'm going to show you the first website that you can just get transcription jobs out there. Is called rave.com. Is a very good transcription job provider. You just simply go there. They have options like transcriptions, captions, and foreign subtitles. If just to pick anything you like, they are going to provide you that service. But if you want to work with transcriptionist, you just scroll down way at the bottom. You can see that there is a freelancer link here. You just click on that. It will show this page where you can simply apply for jobs on rave.com. You can just go there and apply as a transcriptionist or captioner, any way you like. You just simply scroll down and hit the red sign up to be a Rave freelancer button here, and you're good to go to fill this form, and you will go through some qualification test, and you have to pass those tests to get going on rave.com. So this is the catch is here. The second website that I have to show is called babbeltype.com. So babbeltype.com is a really good way also to get transcriptions job done. But if you want to work as a transcriptionist in this website, you can just scroll down. You can see that apply for work here. You just click on that. This page will show up. It's briefly describe how the process works, and how they have a video as well to understand what it is all about. So if you just are interested, you hit the blue get application button, and you are good to go to complete those sign up form, and you are good to go to earn money as a transcriptionist job provider after qualification test as well. So the third website that I have to show is called gotranscript.com. Gotranscript.com is also a popular and top class transcription job provider and transcription service provider. So if you just want to work with them, you can learn more anything about in this website. If you just scroll down way at the bottom, you can see that they have a transcriptionist sections. You can see that there is a work. You just click on work and work link, and it will show this page, transcription jobs available, and it is a worldwide opportunity for you right now. You just watch this video, you can learn more about how GoTranscript work in this way, and you can see that you can earn like 60 cents per audio or video minute. So on average, people are earning $150 per month, so you can earn that money too. And top earners are earning like thousands dollar. You can see that $1,215 people are top earners are making. So if you just hit this yellow apply now button, you are going to complete the simple sign up process, and you have to pass those qualification tests to get to that transcription jobs and earn money online. So this is all it is. Everybody needs a qualification test. So the number 4 positions is called waywithwords.net. So this is also a very good transcription service provider. You can just scroll down, and you can just click on become a transcriber, and it will load the another page, which is waywithwordsjobs.com. so this is related to, those are all owned by Way with Words, but it's a different domain. Waywithwordsjobs.com is for transcribers, and you just simply fill this simple form and hit the apply now button, and you're good to go to earn money online after qualification test pass. So this site is also just working, a very old site, is working since 2002. So this is a really good pay paying site, lazy site to work as a transcriber. So the number 5th position is called Scribey.com. Scribey.com is a very good service, transcription service provider as well. You just scroll down, you can just go through the site, you can just scroll down, you can see that they have a freelancer options here. You just click on those freelancing link and it will load this page for transcription applications. You just simply work as a transcriber on Scribey.com and you can earn up to $5 to $20 per hour. So this is really amazing. If you just want to earn that money, it's up to $20 per hour work of transcription. So simply, you just have that skill, you just pass those qualification tests, you can earn a decent amount of money every day. Making $100 fast is really easy. So if you just want to decide to do these jobs, you just hit this blue get started button and complete those sign up form, and you're going to go to transcription test, qualification test. If you pass those tests, you can be a good way to earn money on Scribey.com as well. So the last but not least, the 6th website is called TechNote.co. is also a service provider of transcriptions works, and you just go to their job sections, which is TechNote.co/jobs, and you will see that they have free jobs: transcriber, note taker, and proofreader. So if any way you like, you just hit those buttons, become a transcriber, and you just fill those simple sign up form and you will become a transcriber. After taking some tests, they will test you out, and after you pass those tests, you will be a transcriber. So all those sites require testing because they provide servicing to customers, to people, to companies. So they need professional jobs done for you. So that is why they want your qualification test on that. So if you have any skills, if you can just test it out in transcriptions, everything is like listening to audio and video files and turn it into text, and it needs to be grammatically and correct. You need not to have any punctuations error, and it will be a good English. You have to learn English well to do this type of jobs without any problem. So GoTranscript.com is going to provide you a testing tools, which is GoTranscript.com/practice-transcribing is a practice transcription test page that is going to awesome if you just want to test it out. If you just go to, you have to read those guidelines that provide by GoTranscript. You just read through those guidelines how you have to write those words, and then you just play these audio files and listen to that audio and just type it out what you listen to it according to the guidelines. That is where after the finish, you just hit the show result button, instantly it will show how good you are to do this transcription job, so that you can test it out what is it's good for you or not. So simply this is the way. But if you just want to increase your skills of grammar and punctuations, you can go through, I could recommend the site which is called grammarmonster.com. grammar-monster.com is a very good grammar and punctuation testing site. You just go there, you can see that there are lots of interactive tests out there. You can just perform those, and instantly you will see that how good you are, and you can just improve your skills on grammar. And the second site I could recommend is called grammarbook.com. grammarbook.com also has interactive quiz exercise pages. Here you can see that there are lots of free quizzes on grammar and punctuations. You can just go through this website and go through all the tests, and you will know, or you will improve your skills about grammar, punctuations, and spelling and English on overall. So this is it, guys. You just have to work on hard. Everything needs some work done here. You have to work hard to get success in life. So this is the catch here. But last but not least, I'm going to show you the way that if you haven't have any skills at all, you can get skillful as well by doing some course. I'm going to show you a gem. I'm going to show you a real site that is going to provide you all the course, all the resources you need. So the site I'm talking about is called transcribeanywhere.com, and this is a transcribing course service provider, and they have paid course on transcriptions. But today they have also, I found out that they have some launched a mini course for transcriptions career, and this is what it is. transcribeanywhere.com/new-mini-course. This is the page. You can just free 7 lessons there they have compiled on, and this mini course will be helpful to you to jumpstart your transcriptions career without any problem. And after you just want to go as a transcriptionist, you just hit this I want the free mini course, and you just complete those course, and you will be skillful in no time if you want to be a transcriber. So this course is all for them who want to start and they have zero skills or zero knowledge. You can just build your knowledge, build your skills, build your writing skills, build your typing skills, and anything you can just complete this mini course, and you will be a jump start really good way. They have designed these lessons, and you will be in no time you will be a transcriptionist at a basic level. And if you just go to advanced level, you can just apply for those works. It's enough to go through this test, and just keep going on, keep following them, keep subscribing with this website. They will provide more feature, more support, and and they can go to their paid courses as well. But at the end of the 8, you will be a transcriber. That's all. You just have to have some skills, writing, reading, and grammatical punctuation free English skills. You have to work as a transcription, and when you have that skill is very important, and only with that skills you can make $100 really fast. And it's not like making $100, it's a future. You can make how people are making $1,000, and you can make $1,000 as well. So thousands of dollars people are earning money. Why not? You just make your skills up. You just have to level up your skills of English, and that's all. And in writing and reading English. So this is all about. If you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.